Have you ever pondered the intriguing question, what is the universe expanding into? It's a question that has fascinated and perplexed scientists, philosophers, and stargazers alike for centuries. To understand this, first, imagine a loaf of raisin bread dough. As it bakes in the oven, it begins to expand. The dough represents the universe, and the raisins are the galaxies within it. As the dough bakes and expands, the raisins move farther apart from each other. They aren't moving on their own. Rather, the space in between them is expanding. This simple analogy captures the essence of the universe's expansion. The universe began with the Big Bang, an event that set the cosmos into motion. Since that moment, the universe has been expanding, a fact first proposed by Belgian astronomer Georges Lemaitre in the late 1920s, and later confirmed by Edwin Hubble's observations. This expansion isn't happening within a pre-existing space. Instead, it's the fabric of space-time itself that's stretching. But what is the universe expanding into? This is where things get a bit complicated. The universe, as far as we understand it, isn't expanding into anything outside of itself. This is because the universe isn't just everything we see, like stars and galaxies. It's also the space that contains all those things. So, when we speak of the universe expanding, it's not that galaxies are racing away into some external void. Rather, the space between galaxies is increasing. The galaxies are, in effect, riding along with the fabric of space-time as it expands. To wrap things up, the universe's expansion is a fascinating and complex subject. It began with the Big Bang, when the universe started to expand and continues to do so. The expansion doesn't occur within a pre-existing space, but it's the fabric of space-time itself that's stretching. And the universe isn't expanding into anything outside of itself, because the universe encompasses everything, including the space that contains it all. While these concepts might seem daunting, they are fundamental to our understanding of the cosmos. They remind us of the ever-evolving nature of scientific knowledge and the boundless mysteries the universe continues to hold. Remember, the universe isn't just a vast expanse of space filled with galaxies. It's also the very fabric of space and time, constantly stretching and creating room for the galaxies to drift apart. And so, as we gaze up at the night sky, we're not just looking at distant galaxies. We're witnessing the universe's never-ending dance of expansion, a spectacle that has been unfolding for billions of years and will continue for billions more. So, the next time you find yourself under a starlit sky, take a moment to ponder this. You're not just looking at the universe, you're a part of this incredible, expanding cosmos.